can you still see your friends' Instagram activity? Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna answer the questions of can I still see my friends' activity on Instagram? So basically Instagram remove this option, which is go to your Instagram, go to home icon and click on the heart icon up there. Now first thing you have activity. Back then after activity we have others activity, but now we don't have this option. Instagram become more insecure and more safe. Now I'm gonna click on the search icon and click on one of the posts, and like you see, click on likes and you can see people who likes this post. This is like the only thing you can see in the others activity, and there is post that doesn't show their likes and comments. And also you can choose this one and click on following. Her following list is not private, so you can see her following. This is like the only activity you can see on Instagram. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you and I did answer to your questions. And if you have another questions, write it in a comment. And this is it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.